This is the Revix gel cold pack for ankle and boot. Supposed to go around your foot and around your ankle. And I read online that it was for tendonitis, which means it goes around the back also. It has a little bag in here. When you put this in a freezer, you put it inside this bag. I did that several times. Let me show you how to put this on. You have the bottom part for your foot, and you have the ankle part. You can wrap it around. These are really solid. They're thick. Wrap around a couple times. Wrap it around a couple times. And then you can do the foot part. Okay, so getting it on is not bad. However, problem with this. So let's look at the foot part here. You have some gel here, nothing here, and then you have gel, some gel right here, and then there's very little gel. There's some here. There's very little gel here, so there's a little bit here. When I say little, it's like a quarter of an inch. I mean, I'm almost pressing all the way through. So when this wraps around, you know, there's not, on the bottom, you have some gel here. There's just not a lot on that's going up into the arch of the foot. It's got this cloth lining, which seems to make it a little warmer. It's heating your foot up as you're trying to cool it. On the back side, this was real disappointing. Back here in the Achilles, there's nothing here. There's nothing on this. There's no gel here in this piece. There's a little here. There's a little bump of it here and here. But you have this whole gap here with nothing, and then you have another gap with the seam as of nothing. Then you have a lot on the front. So most of the cold is on the front part of your foot here. Less here and less here where it's needed. So not for me. I have to send it back. Looks like it's well made. I like the fact that the straps aren't real elasticy like some of the foot gel packs, but I don't like the fact that the gel doesn't seem to be in the right place. And when I cooled it off, I wasn't getting, there was no discomfort from the ice effect.